Pivot tables can be, applied to this data from here by using this pivot table option. So let's understand why we will be applying a group by function in this Excel. So we usually mean when we say group by, like sum ifs, count f, and average f, we can take it out through a group by function. These formulas allow you to group and calculate department-wise salaries directly inside your report. First benefit is fixed report layout. Formulas stay in your designed sheet. Pivot tables can change structure after you refresh. Second benefit, automatic dashboard linking. Third benefit is more control. You can combine multiple conditions using sum ifs like department plus active employees. Fourth benefit will be that this can be applied to a smaller data set if you have employee like between less than 100 or some 200. So when to use pivot instead? So this is the question. Pivot tables are better when you have a large data, need a drag and drop option to have summaries. So remember, use group by formulas for structured reporting and dashboard. Use pivot tables for fast analysis and large data sets. So let's apply a group by function here.